Unveiling idiomatic expressions in the final analysis. Hello language enthusiasts. Today, we'll be exploring the idiomatic phrase, in the final analysis. It's an idiom often used in academic and professional contexts, and it's very helpful when you want to summarize your thoughts, ideas, or conclusions in a sophisticated way. So, what does "in the final analysis" mean? This idiom is used to signal that a conclusion or a final judgment is about to be given, after all factors or aspects have been considered. It's like saying, when everything is taken into account, or, after considering all the information. Example, in the final analysis, the success of the project will largely depend on the commitment of the team. Let's break down this phrase. It comprises of 4 words. In. This preposition is often used to indicate a situation or condition. The final. This term signifies the end, or the last part. Analysis. An examination of the nature or structure of something, usually by separating it into its parts. In combination, these words altogether signify a comprehensive evaluation or judgment that's made after considering all aspects of a situation. Using "in the final analysis" can elevate your writing or conversation, making it sound more academic or professional. It's often seen in research papers, essays, reports, and high-level discussions. Here's another example. In the final analysis, it's the consumer's decision that determines the success or failure of a product in the market. Now, let's practice. Try to form a sentence using the phrase, "in the final analysis." It could be about anything, an event, a book you've read, or even your personal experiences. Remember, the more you practice using this idiomatic expression, the more comfortable you'll become with it. There you have it. Today, we explored the idiom, "in the final analysis." It's a powerful tool to have in your vocabulary arsenal, especially in academic or professional settings. With practice, you'll be able to use it fluently and effectively. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, language learning is a journey, so enjoy every step of the way.